Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now we'll be discussing about our CSS background position specific from top to bottom, from top position to the bottom position. So once again, the background position property is used to specify the position of the background image. So in our previous tutorial, we have discussed about this first value, which specifies the left to the right, and this second value right here is the one that is going to specify our top to the bottom. I'm going to show you how this works quickly so you can be able to understand it clearly. Reload your document. When we reload right here, we are seated on our CSS background playlist. You can check the playlist to be able to follow along. And right here, in our previous tutorial where we discussed about left to right, that's where we are having this background image right here. Now let's change this to our top to bottom. We'll change it to our top and to bottom right here, bottom. Save your document. Now let's reload our document. Now we're having it from the specific from top to bottom, right? Now get back to our code. Let's do something. Here is our position, background position right here is the one we are here to change. So now to specify something from top to bottom, you have to specify another value, another numeric value. Let's give it 100% so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. But firstly, let's give it 0% first so you can be able to understand easily. When we give this another value 0%, definitely we want to start counting another value again. Now let's reload our document and see where our just be looking at our background image right here. Let's see where it will fall to. Can you see? It's fall to the top right here. It want to start from this top right corner right here, and it will be counting to the bottom. Let's just say for instance now we shift up to the center right here. Let's reload. Can you see? Definitely our document is going to start counting from this center to the bottom. So that is the benefit of using it. So let's get back to our document and see what we are doing. Now we are the left right corner right here, left top corner, right top corner self. So now let's shift it to the, let's give it 30% to see what we got. Let's save our document and see what we got. Can you see 30%? Let's see our 40%. Let's see where it will reach. Can you see it's shifting? Let's give it 60%. Let's see where we reach. Can you see it's shifting? Let's give it 80%. It shifts. Let's give it 100%. Can you see the 100% reach here? So definitely the 100% also it's not reaching the bottom of our screen. So now let's give this 120 or 110. Let's give it 110% first. Can you see where it reached? Let's give it 150%. I'm going to see what will happen. Can you see? Let's give it 170%. Can you see? So definitely you should know that the percentage is the one we can use to shift within our document. And again, if you want, you can use pisu instead of percentage. You can do like 100 pisu. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? You can do like 170 pisu. 170 pisu. When we do 170 pisu, we're going to see what we got. Let's come here and reload. Can you see? So you can use percentage, you can use pisu, you can use a different type of values. But this one, I just want you to know that for you to shift from the top, you have to count this by using numerics. From the top is 0, and when you give it more value, it's going to be shifting to the bottom. Let's give it like 135%. Can you see? It's shifted. So now let's give it 140. Can you see? It's shifting gently. So till it reach the normal status of your screen. Can you see? It's shifting. So if you want this to shift in that manner, you can use this, and you can use pisu also. You can use more values. So that's the way you can control the specificity in some ways. In our future tutorial also, I'm still going to be discussing about this in some ways that you are going to understand it more deeper. So please let's leave it in this manner first. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.